Welcome. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to create a group on Roblox using your iPhone or Android. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, open your Roblox app. Then make sure that your account is logged into it. Then after that, click the connect button at the lower part of your screen. This is the icon on the left side of your profile, right side rather, of your profile picture. Then here you want to click groups, then just wait, and then click create group. It is on the upper right side of your screen. Then here you can just put your group's name, description, and then your emblem. So emblem, it is the profile of your group. So for example, I'm just gonna put sample group. Then description, you can put any description of that, and then select an image from your device if you want to put some emblem. Okay, then here you can either choose anyone can join or manual approval. Then after that, you need to pay 100 Robux so you can create on or your group. Then that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.